we believe in quality education and we believe in having a very productive manpower. Technology helps us to make a school achieve both these objectives effectively. We believe transforming our school with Microsoft technologies will help us in the long run establish high quality standards and maintain them.
Greetings to one and all. I am Sujata Tandon, school leader from Udgam School for Children, India. We at Udgam equip the present global citizens with 21st century skills.
We are a Microsoft Showcase School since 2012, which has been a long journey of learning, relearning and innovation in school. We are a team with more than 200 educators and 3,700 students. Udgam School for Children has got recognition for Best Technology Savvy School at regional and national level, wherein our students cleared Microsoft Office Specialist exam and grabbed position at national level too. We have enrolled in Microsoft Aspire School program to lead our school, educators and students to the path of innovation.
Technology in 21st century plays an important role for conceptual based teaching. It can take child towards solving real world problems and making the students realize his/her skills and grow globally. Thank you.
Greetings from Kripali Sangvi, MIE Master Trainer Fellow from Udgam School for Children, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. At Udgam, we believe in transformation of education via technology. Various integrated interdisciplinary projects based on 21st CLD and Sustainable Development Goals got focused at E2 Singapore. We even took our project like EduDays, Board Examinees platform and much more to the Global EduDays event. The teachers are trained and empowered with technology with Microsoft Teams, and the best practices along with Teams includes the use of Wakelet, Flipgrid, Poly, etc. Makes the classroom more engaging and more creative for my students. MS Teams in this present COVID pandemic has proven to be our co-partner in learning teaching process. With the help of MS Teams, we are able to connect with our parents and communicate with our students effectively via various parent-teachers communication meetings, and with the usage of Office 365 tools, our students are empowered with a global classroom. We have global connections with to know about different cultures from various countries with the help of global Skypeathon events. We even do Hour of Code event regularly every year since the launch of the year, promoting technology and coding at Udgam. So looking forward for more such innovative practices at Udgam as an MIE Master Trainer. Thank you.
At Udgam, we believe in empowering educators with professional development.
At Udgam School for Children, we educators truly believe in incorporating lifelong learning skills in our teaching process.
The social and the emotional well-being of the student is also taken care of in Udgam School.
At Udgam, we prepare our students for higher studies and create future global citizens.